I wasn't looking for anything special. I was just looking for a car. But sometimes the thing you're searching for is already searching for you. And the night I found this car, something strange happened. Let me tell you about it. It was late at night, just another normal night, scrolling through car listings online. Different cars, different prices. Nothing really stood out until one listing appeared. A black 2017 Honda Accord Touring Coupe. At first, it looked like any other car, but something about it felt different. When I clicked the listing, my screen flickered, just for a second. Then the lights in the room dimmed. Maybe it was nothing, but for some reason, I couldn't stop staring at this car. It felt like it was calling me. So, thought about it. I called the dealership. The car was in Georgia, and before I could talk myself out of it, I bought a plane ticket, one way. The next morning, I landed in Georgia. The dealership said someone would pick me up. When the car arrived, I knew instantly it was the same black Accord from the listing. So, papers were signed, hands shaking. They filled the tank, handed me the keys. When I pressed that start button, the engine came to life. Some people say cars are just machines. Metal, code, parts working together. But sometimes machines become something more. On the drive home, a name came to me, Halen Jax. Right now, it looks like a normal car, but something tells me that won't last long. Because 3 nights later, something happened that I still can't explain.